Na, nababaw ka balen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Today's vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa Floridablanca, particularly Cafe Beanissimo. So this is their second branch. Congratulations for opening your second branch dito sa Floridablanca. And check out our table, guys.
Yun na.
We would like to let you know, guys, kung ano yung mga sinerve nila dito. And if you're interested to know more about the food, check them out, guys. Samahan niyo po kami.
So tara!
Let's go! Alright, so once again, we would like to thank you guys for being with us in this video and grateful and appreciation to Cafe Beanissimo for inviting us dito sa Floridablanca. So if you remember, guys, yung first branch nila is in Guagua.
Yes.
Talk about the place. Grabe, this is super great ambient.
Yes, cozy,
Yes,
chill. Yan.
Super
So
ganda.
napakaganda ng bagong lugar nila.
So you have your, soft cushions, you have rustic tables, no? So let's talk about the food, the dishes that they prepared to us. Starting off with this alige pasta, ayan, guys. Chicken margarita.
Yes, chicken margarita.
Whoa! And then another dish na I am really excited to taste is this one. The first time we featured them, this is very memorable. This is called
Creamy seafood rice.
creamy seafood rice.
So actually, creamy kasi
Creamy.
nakapalibot yung cream niya dun sa mismong rice.
This mismong rice. And then this is the Beanissimo chicken.
So meron tayong tatlong flavor dito. So meron tayong Beanissimo chicken, garlic mayo, and parmesan wings.
There you go. Sa mga additional sa mga rice naman nila is this crispy kare-kare. Ayan. Oh man. So this is their fish and fries. Ayan. Meron din tayong salad dito. This is their tuna salad. So sa mga naghahanap naman ng mga pizza, they have 4 cheese. That's one is Hawaiian. And then next is the daing na bangus for the rice.
Same time, meron din tayo dito sa mga hamburger lovers. Meron din tayo dito yung chicken burger. Meron tayong all-time favorite na American breakfast. At the same time, sa mga finger food is yung kanilang chicken poppers.
Yeah, so you are gonna have a wide variety of choices. So if you want rice, may available. If you want pasta, may available. Pizza, available. Finger food, buffalo wings, it's gonna be available here. Now, of course, what is a cafe without, refreshment naman, coffee? Okay.
So meron tayo dito hot chocolate, ice caramel macchiato, ice mocha espresso, sparkling strawberry. Yan, ito yung mga parang soda type nila. Meron din tayo dito ang salted cookie crumble.
Cookie crumble. Oh, wow.
Vanilla Oreo cheesecake, choco java chips, matcha green tea, and yung kanilang parang dessert at the same time.
Coffee, yes.
Coffee nila is yung kanilang Beanissimo's Best. Lahat ng sinerve nila dito are below 200 pesos only.
I mean, imagine that.
Yes.
For a really great place such as this, presentation-wise, ambience-wise, and then the price is below 200 pesos. Talagang
Solve na solve.
yeah.
So the best part of the vlog, syempre, is yung taste testing.
Which dish are you gonna go first? Comment in the comment section. But for me, this is
Siguro,
what I'm waiting for.
I'll try yung kanilang wings naman. So syempre, unahin natin yung kanilang Beanissimo wing.
Beanissimo. Wow! Again, it never fail. Yung creamy seafood rice nila, grabe. It's a must try, I told you guys.
Ang sarap din ng mga wings nila, lalo yung Beanissimo wings. A little bit spicy,
Yeah?
pero at the same time cheesy din siya.
Yeah.
So next kung titikman ko na ng mga chicken poppers.
Titikman ko naman yung kanilang matcha latte. Wow! Sobrang nagustuhan ko dito. A little bit strong for the matcha and coffee. Naglalaban yung dalawang flavor. But at the same time, it's a little bit bitter. So, dun sila nagmi-meet.
So next ko lang titikman syempre yung kanilang tuna salad. So ito yung pinaka-best sa mga nagda-diet.
And very healthy pa. Let's try it. Actually, no doubt it's crispy. Yung sauce niya, it's so creamy and peanut, no? Hindi siya maalat.
Yes.
And hindi masyadong oily. Perfect for a heavy meal.
What is good thing here is yung quality nila dun sa unang branch sa may Guagua is nadala nila dito sa may Floridablanca.
If you're near this area, around Floridablanca or Lubao, the place is very accessible. It's just along Mabical Road. And then yung parking nila dito, I think it's not problem, no? At the same time, meron silang al fresco. So they have around 2 or 3 tables for, you know, chill, ganyan.
The place can accommodate up to
this one,
50 packs or
I think
more?
so. I think so, yeah. I wanna try naman next is yung kanilang mga chicken wings. So this is the garlic mayo naman. So you have 2 options for the garlic chicken. So meron silang garlic mayo and then the parmesan.
Next to taste ko naman yung kanilang
Cheers.
4 cheese. You know?
Okay, so I guess lastly the taste for me is this cookie crumble. It's a 2-in-1, so you have your refreshment, you have your dessert. So right after a very heavy meal such as this is the best refreshment that you're gonna have.
So ako naman yung Choco Java chips nila. So syempre, all-time favorite na Choco Java chips is available din dito. So from Guagua, now in Florida.
There you go. Guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, you share it with your friends. If you want to experience all the dishes that we experience here, make sure to check out Cafe Beanissimo Floridablanca branch.
So Cafe Beanissimo is located dito sa may Caltext gas station, Mabical, Floridablanca. And they are open from 9 a.m. until 9 p.m.
Thanks so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, until our next discovery.
Peace.
Bye guys. Cheers, bro.